for this social media. Where it be say, Esther Matakona, everybody they open their platform, they talk, put the way they like. Some say that they support, meanwhile they use Esther build. Why some way Esther insult, they insult her back. The one way they vex me inside. I hate it when somebody go say, Esther or you are. You were the thought that thing. I boy. I not any age. If you like me, you did 90 years. Who were soon who are your you don't ever get any time for this media where somebody offend you now. Well, no insult that person. Person don't ever do na something go free. Well, not fight that person. Why so? I want no money carry we saying who are ye banwa who are bezansan ikpagbuwa. Who are to war? Thanks for joining Mama Okiro Edos. Thanks for joining Mommy. Yo, good morning, Mama. Iwe to what to you know what? They gbe me amen wa me. You not go even only come and talk only your own. Say okay, now only your own you know. May you mind your business. Find where to find you. Me now this I've been on this media. If I never take for you, I don't they go almost 7 good years. I see how some of una they fight una fight. Owan la jawe media na do tie bonu wa to wa gbe banu wa gbe sansan. U wa gbe nya guponjo ekun. Me la jade do tam wa we o wa si aye wa igbe. Ve no mani na wa tie bonu wa. Ugbe so se me ko deba wa gbo wani we awa gu tie bonu mana. Iwa no abi no pa no. Okay, Esther gi la dia do tie bonu ma because o ma tie nu wa. No, my lady, no. No, my lady, I will do one. Okay, you know, say that they fight my page now because of they are fighting my page anyway. Even though me they fight our page, make a Facebook Facebook never get the time where Facebook they pay me money. I say I don't buy best. They not for they even they pay me better money. So I don't really they care about the page. But don't worry, I'm working on it. Okay, anytime, anymore. If you come to me, I'm working on it. You understand? It says skeleton of Ekia is pain because live video presenter don't distract. Don't mind that one. I dey come for that one. I want your fake with direct this message to fellow live video presenters. So it be say, these live video presenters, if their wife even do their something, they'll saga their wife. If their children do their something, they'll saga their children. If their neighbor do their something, they'll saga their neighbor. If their best friend do their, I'm not saying this same, some people got to say because I mention like this, say, quit the thought to so person. No, I'm not talking to that person. One of if you say the thought to no. Because even that one said the beat tester. Una they get me. Person why they thought to you know, he said, if una friend, do na something. Una go beat and beat. Some of una tomorrow na see the beat una friend they go. As we speak, some of una as in una get una own different ways. Una take the voice out una anger. Since when some of una they beat una friend, una don't see the on platform to say, wait till this your friend just do na good thing. Better not the beat again. Just leave her. I don't do know. If you want to some of you are ingrate. Some of una they revenge. Some of you are fighting because of your own selfish interest. Gone are the days when person go they step down for una say, we'll step down, una go they do kati. Nobody they step down for anybody. If I get issue with somebody, I will deal with that person any at one time. If you think say because say you go online video say you don't hold, now you go come tell me say, queen, not doing like you can want like you vabi you that your old day so you can vow on you are this one. Because you and me have been on this media and I've seen how you have been trashing your issues. Why so when you look one your boy nyage yakwane the live video na naje wa saga etun wa saga you wa saga ni bune. Why did you people do that? Not because I said they offend you now. Now Esther Izobo came out categorically to insult all live video presenters. Majority of live video because they no mention her name now. Una they come and they say, make una leave her, make una leave her. You will go to say make they leave her. If person offends you for your life, you try and go on live video, they saga that person where you offend you. Because if now una go clear up, una go scatter everywhere, una go fight, see una tire. But once it be another person, una will want to remove that saga from that person, man. Una will begin the first day. See how, but if now, who are manya the singlet, is by saying, by saying, why? Is that not a partiality? Is that not a partiality? This social media na respect person they give una. I know say some of una overdose respect. Emma with buwa, Emma with skin wa. You understand? Now where all of us don't know ourselves. Now we say all of us don't open ourselves nyash for granted. Even respecting you people is a wasting of energy. I've heard they talking before, and I'm repeating it again. It's wasting of energy. You people are failure. You people are a failure to yourself and to the people around you. You people are greedy people. You betray yourself for peanuts. Presenter go use 2-3 years fight follow una. If una want betray that una no look back and front, una will betray that once. Person go respect una for years. Epa, mama, epa. If una want betray that person, no look back and front. Why are you people doing that? Because of your selfish interest. And when I think so, I will bring that thing on this 2020. If you old, you don't find where put your old age. Beating where you define, you go say, I not say make anybody not talk about Esther issue. You are free to say it. Even if you say, you feel just on your live video to say, I'm just waiting to hear your name or create a name in the and then no, now that all of us go crazy together now. If you play like all of us go crazy together. Everyone when you can Esther or Kenya, can never present us now. Everyone when you anyone now beating all of them go they'll just collect sort for a benohe. A boy lie, not passion. You understand me? If you want to talk on issue they grand fine. Everybody they see Esther where they even see they beg for. Person, if the son not be mumu, even the Esther in saw some of now. If una not be mumu, see person go na they beg for. She wake up one morning now, yesterday now she write this one say the way she they see presenters these days. And these are the same presenters you people are begging to leave her alone. Is that not foolishness? Who are you? Now you create phone page for me. I been now you buy me phone. You may not respect when Ogbon boy. I be just say they not feel swear for you. Is it because they respect you? Who were to war? Where you not get shame? Ekwe muwe. Unadwa ye boere yo. O mama we yeki. Numana una agewe. Unga mainye no. Azo yo zo de media. Eni biaka mawu. Dem your logo. Better go find there your problem for the coup. Emma see we media na. Dem your one logo when we wa jena go suffer. Cause who care when I hit this one not be even better. Not be clear eye. Matter they grand. Everybody, we are not blind where Esther. Especially Echo Better, you were there for inside. Monekia, I fed do short video tell you say you are supposed to be ashamed of yourself. Even opening your mouth. About kid right About kid right don't keep me with laugh. It's even fantastic. I bet more not keep me with laugh. Me might go my network don't come back. I just didn't look because I didn't look. I was like, wait till be all this one. That is why some people to give them respect. Me or furniture, me are not getting respect to give anybody when only slippers when I wear throw away for outside. Out there Europe, I'm going to do something. They follow person when never give me one cup of garri before. Who does that now? I'm not try them again. No. So my messy people. Now Monica, na shame me pass what this matter, and I vex me pass. Monica is so shameless to the extent where be say. She not going even get. She not even feel put herself together. She not even feel walk past this shame and disgrace where they are head. If you look at what Monica is doing, though she's trying to do damage control and it's not working, because the damage where she do for Esther body now very serious one, now very strong damage where all of us they see out there. Now very strong damage. Imagine somebody, okay, the time where Esther know they favor Monica come outside to insult Esther, drag Esther, bully the Estekia to her satisfaction. You understand? Even when people tell her that time, say, oh, say Yagbewa, she no rest. People have to abandon her and abandon Esther case. Monica Nagada here be your yeah? She do her to her satisfaction. She do her for almost 4 years. She barely fool. You understand? Before she come back and say, na word, na bring audio. Na word, na bring audio. Okay, now she don't see start to the saga Edward. How many of you notice that all the video where Monica tell the saga Edward, Esther they share those videos? I'm going to do a short video on it because I know if I do short video, it will go far. I want people to see how I'm going to be exposing Esther. All the videos where Monica tell the saga Edward, Esther they share her. Many of una where they say was una not notice that part say the video where Monica they use saga Edward take they talk say Edward oh down Edward of your jogging a son a snake a son an enemy Edward oh down or river una no see and say Esther be sharing those videos. What do you guys have to say about that? Even the time where the Monica the saga Esther, did you see Edward share any of those videos? Did any of you see Edward share those videos? Una see Edward even love and like for all those places? But Esther now is publicly sharing the video Monica is using to saga Edward. What does that say to you? What does that mean to you? Now not consider this as okay. Now Esther go send Monica, make she call the saga Edward, so that she go to share the video. Esther now they share video where Monica take the saga Edward. Is that a good thing? First wife when you come meet for house. Woman when be say you come meet her husband. She even born for dear. She have been living her life in that marriage. Must go Esther. You are looking for everywhere to bring down Edward Salon. Edward travel. She never even rest. China, they not they see Nigeria food there. Now salad, people where they go China they eat. She not to get stamina for ground. You not wait, make she reach us. Somebody say even insulting Destiny inside the video. Yes, now. Yes. You not wait, make Edward reach us. Even if you have any issue with her. You started insulting Edward. Calling her where that one suffer go by. Say na fake hair. Say the man, now your manager. Your children finish the math to stupor. Esther is like, she's drawing, hence, any support from anywhere she must share. It's not even because of that, my lady. If she see anything that is that refer as insult to Edward, Esther no say, not be we will be presenter, not be we be a problem. Esther no, we will be presenter. Esther they pray for us. Yes, if you don't know now, let me tell you guys. You see, where we be presenter. Esther, they pray for us. The reason why Esther, the verse for presenter, this period, we say, Esther come outside, she bring Edward come outside, make we saga Edward. That was her motive. That was her motive. This saga where they grant, so where she draw so, it was not meant to be Esther saga, no. Esther wanted to use a pity party game to enter Edward. This saga was made for Edward. Yes. If you go back to shows where Esther Faye they do, where she they go party when she did Nigeria, after those shows, if you go back and watch all those videos, combine it to what they go on now, you will know say Esther was doing damage control to Edward. If Esther go show play finish, she'll begin to talk. Ema owo madenki iyo madan mami o mani ne guani esu no esu. You understand? She will be trying to make us know that she's passing through a lot in the hands of Edward, but we not give her listening yet. Because now you go to first band, anything you see there, we not even they support that kind of thing. We not go encourage her. We not go. You understand? So the thing she don't they talk and they talk. So this one where she can't come mad, so she wanted to saga the man and Edward. The reason being that man traveled to Vietnam with Edward and collected Esther money. The man collect Esther money, follow Edward, go Vietnam, instead of the man to follow Esther, come Europe for talk or make them come relax. You see? So the man now tell Esther, say, he get business where you want go do. Then the man come pack all the hair where remain, where they not sell. Last auction price, you come back and put for Esther head, Esther go they sell for UK. So that thing already they vex Esther even before she come out on media. When Esther come this Europe, people they do say no to Europe talk. It not concern Esther. Nobody mentioned Esther name. Nobody called Esther. They do their say no to Europe talk to people where they do them. Then the next thing, Esther start to the draw posts. Esther start to the draw posts. Esther start to the draw posts. Then the thing come push on. She can't do video. Are you getting me? She can't do video. Which video she do? She do video. She start to insult presenters. We're not near her. She can't insult Lolo. She insults Queen Rita. She insults one a part for Germany because she insulted a lot of people. No, now two people she insult for Germany. She insulted a part also. She insulted a lot of people for that particular video. And the reason why I decide to say I go saga Esther Tiataya, even if say anything court case Any case, so I go fight her with Esther. If she won't fight case with me, make she bring paper come for me. I did for Italy. I know they hide. I know they hide. I not be big for not you. I not be by a person don't old or don't big. Now person take the day learn it or it no book or it no what to do. As I did so, me a case, may bring paper for me. You understand? Now, Esther want talk one word. She can't advise other musicians like her. She say, and I those ones present as the saga, they not present as no near how. She say, if present as the saga you, say one not the see as bad thing. Make una not the fear present as saga. Their saga not mean anything. They be a kita name kun. They ball for another grant. In short, make it tell them these secrets. Say presenters, they are more weighty promote her. As he talk that place a couple years from now. She said presenters, they are more weighty make her be who she be today. Say if not be saga, she for not be who she be today. Say the more that they saga her, the more she they grow. Then I not call reason her say those saga where Monica saga her those days because people where she they talk to now these people beg Monica to leave her. Then I can't read meaning say so Esther no say if then they saga her she they gave publicity now make Esther they always draw saga anytime she dey Europe. If you notice Esther no go and be like bije Esther no who is skeleton boma. She always they draw saga anytime she dey Europe. The last saga where happen now when she take on Europe, where she saga Querita, now when she take get show for Canada. The other one where happen now when she take get show, anytime when she take dey Europe, now she take the stay up saga. I hope they start that saga now she by herself. This one not be say person go find Esther. No, now Esther they start that saga by herself to take trend. So that people go they call her name. She go come they form the pity party. Then people go come go they go a show. People call the pity her. People call it. She can't forget, say, every day for the thief, one day for the owner of the house. Esther shamelessly come this UK where she console. This Ireland where she just console. Esther shamelessly come. She can't finish. She not face with the career come. Esther can no one face with the career come. Instead, she can't they use hand and leg till they find publicity from presenters. She can't they use hand and leg till they find publicity from presenters. Any music where they tell saga presenter, Esther will go dance put. That boy will sing Awala do wasa obeo. That one so that boy very ugly boy. Though me with not get saga boy too ugly. I don't know what he pink lips. He use pink lips, still do lips. Boys like that, and they hate them. Where we don't bleach. That boy don't use bleach, his poor self. I not just like her. You understand? I not just like her. Because the way they, you know, his stature, he doing, he not fun to that boy to work. For all the old Benin music industry, now that boy ugly pass. Cause if you see Matt, be like Elede. Like Elede way put Matt for red or very ugly. I don't like that boy. You understand? So that boy sing one music. Awala linya ogbebe. Nene industrial music here. They, now Esther come they dance put. And our presenters, now that boy sing that music too, according to people. I don't know how true is it, but they say na presenters. Esther come they dance for that music. Maybe they see now so it enter the one where we did so. Now when Frank conscience say Esther they dance for that music, now Frank take this Gwagwa Esther for live video. Say Esther, person sing music, you call the dance Awala Luwa Saugbe. Don't want to get na Awala now by this time if not be you we go to first band we not be your own. Now so this matter take concern Esther so for those of now we no know. Frank won't give us small pepper soup water for that side. Now she can write, come and say, she want to do video for presenters and message to Frank. Now Esther take come and come begin to insult people who not near her. People who no puro no sube. And some presenters, no kilo, come they talk now say, why, una way they told that thing, bless say, why agba oge buwa. Now lay down my feet tell una. Why agba oge buwa. No gonna tell anybody what the person want do. Person, since when we take this live video, never they fight anybody. May I call na talk na say mo kuna liver or make I call they do video say was here was. If I look kuna matter, you are when they matter nyanga. They no go make one you know iwa we gwan. You even tell them then you make one you know iwa we gbere. I'll do like say I'm not you now. Be busy with another issue. Una o not be like that. Una o not be like that. Una o they form say eti yeruwa iwa your mind anyway. Una not get any stamina for grant. Una not get any stamina for grant. And the last thing when I go tell una be say e ku emoji be no motion. We they use that look una. Forget say we just look with the shameful. That is just the truth. And you why my new wajalo de. Wa agba gegbuwa. Una madness don't today rampart. It don't to show for all over our face. Waya unero ilahi. Wa gu weha. Wa gu weha. But when I hear wa, if una just the craze, people say, onona no memena. Ona meme nusia Ona meme. Una they get me. They dey yahu why so. So my messy people, make nobody deceive and say, Esther, was Esther, because when these people they carry their own saga, they not the rest. We are when you summer, egeniana increase, so nobody get that right to come they talk, say, was Esther, Esther, don't try it. Why damn? You understand me? Why damn? Because imagine somebody where be say you dey on your own, person you come outside. If that dance or awala look because she needed attention, she needed publicity. No give Rena ifina wa mwe. Nesta Rena ifina iwa mwe. Unati say this saga not the entire body, the entire body woto. Because why? Now the truth they tell the saga her. Yes, now she's so shameless right now. She dey in pain. Imagine, look all our movie industry. They don't sound like this, no? Ebony, no? How many adult actresses they don't sound like this? Even Frances. How many? No one. Now only she, Esther Izobo. All this shame and disgrace, all our movie industry people, they don't download and keep. And I ain't beg dignity. Before well, those ones they respect, and nobody go respect her again. Oh, Sagba, oh, ba, fake life she they live. She dropped post that day, they say, he with her sister, Nafi, it's a person that cannot control. So, yes, now, leave them, make the call the control. You know, say, now respect, now overdose respect, my lady. Or see any other lady who maybe Najina. Now they get me. You know, say, Esther come and that they say, he get money, oh, say, na the richest woman, oh, he go very linear, oh, at the end, now we find out, say, daughter, they all basic for UK. A daughter, they all basic for UK. Oriosa oma ono hai. Oviesta oriosa oma ono hai. Mama get money. And my mommy na rich woman. Mama we rasi kobo magomia. Fake life na they live. You know you will say Albert tell your husband for say. He say he go only live and when he start to they live in real life. Say the life where they live na fake life. And really, how much they don't get money. You get money. House where you take borrow money for years. You never fit return money when you carry your house. Or what be the limit road. Or what be nothing to show. I was a big man before in and a web. Esther say get money, but he borrow me money, take on Europe. Why you go borrow me money, take on Europe? You get money, your sons still there Nigeria. Your sons, they still there Nigeria. You get money. Hungry, now I pursue the boy away there for I go back to Nigeria. Oh, I'm not horny. Because some honey go, yeah, say Morocco, Munich. They find mama singer, they go. They find mama singer, they go. Only one girl where Staffy teach music, where still sabi sing. You don't leave that girl, make that girl go out. Ona munovie no vie mwe kone. Because you know, say if that girl go out, that girl go overshadow her. Because if that girl they sing exactly like Esther. Ona that the girl, ona munovie, no vie mwe kone the girl. Since when Pikite give that girl belena, that one career don't go. E there I work baby no western bolo se, oni wa bolo, oga poto, oga pokman, odo lewa odo we no pa. Ba we wan mi ni abo bi obi Esther stage ba. Oni ogi pole di o company una no ni yuba ni. Era vi she no ye studio we ya we wan asu nu me ya di era vi je ju sere. We ni era vi je na de sere. Nene gerije. We no ya pe white sinesta gbolo. Ono se na tam wa we Esther to yo ma gegbe. Eni yo bonoje. O yo ma gegbe. Jene sogo na mege. No boy wina no bun. Eri sogo agwa be gbekpo. Ebi o. Abuna no. Na ole sogo be girl we don Esther. No. Ave precious so sanyen dewe ya. Inyama ka win ale Esther. Inyama ka gwesta si ekpo. Why they not they play today? they not fake they jet to come abroad. Why they not they play? What's yes though? Una never notice and say anybody where they come carry come abroad once. Any gileli and the second time. Una never notice am. Say anytime that they do show, say that they bring this person, they come. The next time they not go see the person again. Una never notice. Because those ones, those boys are wise. They sabi calculate money and they see how they take zoom them. As a apportable they talk, they rip those boys. In rip in. Ego go nola. Anytime you ready to do talk, buy your tickets and carry your bag. Go sister Leona. You pa ko lu re kian. You pa ko lu re kian. Oh we migo that one ole. Now so it be. No go join any team of anybody. Esa we mu wa de to. Why yo? Why yo? They are stealing your talents. Okay, somebody say nah. Okay. But I know say J2 and they not and Esther they're not doing good terms. You get. I don't know whether they quarrel, but I know say they're not they paddy like that. You get. Now they get me. My next time when you west say now, my west say rockpa. Ogbiviere ya yes. That is why when a papa buy Precious no my ha. Although via your live video. In do so your live video where yen move a Precious imaso, a Precious ima we nokpa, Precious ima gwanyo. Now they get me. Precious ima desenya because if you we Precious in me. A movie ya non yati kweni yama sati today. Yama sati today ba me am where we iko de no ni ze yama ti mwere o ma ve o mo Precious re. O ma ve o mo Precious do se oni na fiye kegbiyan. Oni na fiye kegbiyan. Iwa ya na igana have we Precious wa be close say we meant here pay Precious. When we are close say we meant here pay Precious. Now they get me. I did live video. Una they get me. Estan wawa begeni oge on very useless woman, a selfish and a greedy woman. Jago vie koko. Ovie ni anti koko. The boy where that one see you stay sing na. Ogbe a boy any career. Ogbe boy any career. Ige a koko. Musician where you take sing. Now your mama tell her that he say, Egbe ni your way future. Don't put his name. Don't give her that publicity. A publicity ni do the obe presenters. Or a dinya veni ya fi name for free. Because that girl know that if you put that boy and they say, Serakoko future of Vorame, everybody will be like, Vorame, you know, that name also makes sense. The name sweet. People go want, do things with that boy. Before you know, that boy go say begin the go show. A wicked people video. And now that boy that they shoot the video of the song, now that boy sing put for the song, that boy they organize this song. I don't say Europe children now. Any acting of a bay. Any and the battle we are going to even the way that tell music a day. They get all the experience, everything. Oh yes, they are not fearful. What did that one show to now? Emi nije gwe, omo gwe. Emi nije gwe, omo gwe. Ona fie ni boy ni ona fia fo. We begene ne sera no be fie ni oma fo. Buena mai, I wan shawo osu. I wan shawo. E usu. Vene saji, e vivieje. E miniji an wa gwe, e bie kani gwe. E bie kani gwe. E display ne sera koko no display the period na. I fi where he don't do the present. Umaye presenters or see tiri ke a presenters so 10 years in your live video na. When we yawa a saga. We are. He may go way na way. A time in a presenters ye so a baby saga or dice uwe ye twin. Umaye swaje pants. Kuweo, kijweo, ketweo, uwado via ge saga last. Because the presenter is a buwa. Oh my tamwa. No be person go tell na say a live video no be for choice. Uwa doriaga because anything wanna do na offense. Waga simon la the offense no. Waga be post offense no. When waga be any offense no. Waga genuine cloth offense no. Wati agwe ma be ya gwa o industry wa gilele gbina o. I dead why I do viono and why they been on my camera a presenter si bagugun egbe ye de egbe okuwa e wana e okwe presenters efo e set to salo bo wa do bo kan yan okay I forget a matter now. Why where Mati the can all those things or a matter stand all those things. Except to Korea de when he has a boyfriend. Ah, you wire we go with 10 years. Am I swing? Then next year presenters ya grow. A year presenters in kind of yesterday ya grow. Yes, Obona Samek Bobona. Obona Samek Bobona. Oboya one. I be my people. If presenters do for you, because not true. Now we promote you. We share your videos. Yes. We share your videos. We promote you. We help you with a lot of things. We defend you. We donate money for you. People go your shows. Buy your tickets. You see, we supported you financially. Now you now go also call the maybe pay show go there Facebook again. You call the buy ticket. They come inside our pay show. Now your turn to do for us back now. Because all the ones who will do for you, we know say Pelemomio. They use and fight our page. Till tomorrow, they still they fight our page. Esther, now I know why your movie industry people pages know they grow. Some of them, now you, they go, they send their page, they give people, make they buy their page. Now you, they go, the same people, make they buy those people page. Do you know that 3 days ago, my account was restricted. They logged me out. They logged me out of this my account 3 days ago, yeah? 3 days ago, now that thing happened now. They logged me out. I lost access to everything on this page. They know they share my video. They know they do it. That's the notification. You come once, three like this. They know they share my video. I go against the enemy. I do this one. Only me. You understand? They just send that for me. As they send that for me, me queen in Oma. Me laptop iladian. Me Facebook. I say under 24 hours, everything fall back. Under 24 hours, everything fall back. One thing not remain. Everything fall back. Now they get me. I just look at laugh, say me. You know people wait, don't try to fight me on this media. Where me Facebook now. That's how they talk. Oh no, yeah, with nobody fit show me like once more at it. I say, hey, gay there. I would iwagele. Never. That Esther page, so this big page, this a page. So if I want you can put, I'll fish you can put. Yeah, I can't break your page now. Your boy where and I go to send me doing. But that one not be waiting me the day after. When no I post to you, then no I post to you. All the yo me ariye, all the yo me ariye. I don't know about that people. All the yo me ariye. Runda obona same obona same. Every gena complain like that. Then she said she want go swear for presenter. What damn one? So come on my body boom where we. We were my bob presenter. One presenter si akan talk boy. How where we had the tiebo. The one we had tebona. Ne bog bay we boom we. Ne bono bera. The man want to tiebona. The man want to tiebona. Presenters in we. No we ya grow ne. Ken we ba o geve ya. We make a bad presenters o. Or say not more we make bad presenter o ge. Jamwebo. But una egu bad presenter o ge ne. Wa mwebo ni we mu gbibu we bai. Wa bi e ko se no da. Wa webo da o se no yeke. Ya ba tie no ba se ne e we bu we. Ogun ogbera gbiju e. Anya mwebo. The man we get presenters even when I am budgeting. Then obu we mana click. Ya mo ni nebo. Na bebe. What's the number yamu? Asha woda. The friend of sign no man say we. I was sign no man say we PS we e kia wo he. Tito dey na o mati e do tie boyo. We ma se Nigeria ne. We ma se Nigeria ne wo wo abagbon. Lady of Izagodo. We ma se Nigeria ne. What's the man yamu ebo? Sign no man wo ma di bonk. Shawo down because we get le wo we. Abagbe poster her. I'm going to 46 prayer enemy appoint. I have the look. All those ones who they deceive people. When I go a visa fraud, the wise one, I'm going to pick your father. I'm going to all presenters, our parents, they Nigeria they. If not do, Mona go do one thing for them. Do why they feel well like we bono what they are fiang. Why would they be live? I go any country of this Europe. Why lao? Why damn? Why go? This one, that one. When John mama, people where they beg for you. So they be say they beg for you. Where do I see bonnet presenters? They now go where Ogun boy ya mani support to any Ogun boy ya gbiyan. Ogun ogbu ya bayan. Ave evani me direction. Aba vie kia ye ya va vo waka. Iya gwa wunu we salo bwa doko no mona yowa. We ageni bunya okwo via yowa. Ekwe mo magie ekwe mo jive no motion. Shameless set of people. On me na guanchi. On me na guanchi. Esa la dia we set representers then why they again no representers. Don't dare to come out to say, hey, why you guan yo? Emani gwesta guana. Iya ma vesta. Uwe emani gwesta guana. We to buwe we ma bata nesta igba. We o ma bata nesta igba because ara yokin. Fiame agbonya enwe. Fiame de me. E uwe ya live. Ara your life, you know they tire you. Our car life, you know they tire you. Gwale 100 euro, 200 euro, you know they tire you. You know they tire you. No we haka. Rudu we wa beg lele pocket be ani wa hian iwo wo kan hian so agbonya do lie low to you now abi iwa agbonya do down we weta do we zuo ma zuo we diamant man sis wo bogbo e na ria wege izabi wo hwan na ai won mu no mu e ama we se na so bo ma ya se adova kwa ni bun we bo na man me hia me meti we do we aya beg stand 100 do ba ko e do da we do se star e wo tie body me oni etisun ya winner ya yo bowe winner ya bowe pinko o bi awinna be webo ya yo bowe winner e de agbe adovie ayo we press ekia press vivie kweva ko gbe aruwo wa ba die ba igba tin vede ke government no fi gore ya la janu ya winner ko mo ma gieki eku wa eso mu ma eku wa eso omo ma egene de wana mi ko nia egena na je na wa ma mi ko umie ko no mare we o equal these days o bia wina yes o bia wa wina when o ko wa bia me o bia wina o bia wina o ko we wina adobe government ma eri goria ko ko government ma eri gore sijo oni wa ye that mu wa ya do Gaigan I've been this Europe for 50 years wa me fian boa have you support people around you have you help have you support people around you? Please, my people, let me share this video, jare. I go more gwen bogbe. Una ya mi estago because why so ava ye ni wana mome. Fiameni e waje. Not do that nonsense, eh? Come where I dey. Where start the go na ime? What benefit from esta ime? Why do at a bonus I get the go no one na no we. Oni ma coming. Why man waje? Why society no waje? Why we na benefit? We no want anything. That's not supposed to be my business. E ma ti e bonu wa isi amemana. Why gbiyan. E ma offend wa. Why gbiyan. E ma do wa media. Why gbiyan. Keno mata. Why silinya bie? O isogo ma we why la because we benefit we bani. Why do me o si aye? No wa do kedara de wa me mo no ka mo wa we si aye o fire down. O ma gwan you why? O mama gwan you wa o ke no why you ni one e guwa we nobody. O no kwa ma send wa. Ama kete mekere ado a make it trend. Anybody not threatening me with live video na ni awe emi ni awe emi anya no emi anya awe wan e hunu na unu gbo ma unu sinu wa. So my amazing people, now so I'm going to do this short video which I just say make I contest this network and I can see that is I think it's great. Yeah, this network will go a long way for us. So please, if you never follow my other backup, go and follow my other backup. I will also share it, okay? I will be doing live video more often. Not my not your stock shop, okay? But just stay tuned, stay active. All right? Somebody done that they comment. He say, Atiti now say Atiti they insult Queen Rita. He say Atiti they insult Queen Rita yesterday. Now to don't know Atiti for this live video say no get direction. Now when Atiti went direction today go say A, tomorrow go say B. A quick be away on I came in yo. Person we go say good morning. Guys, he go say Baba na always said 2 minutes time always A. I got to always B. Lolok banana. That one they give her money, may they fight for that one for you. A lot of banana, so that they do. Why are you going here? You say na genuine support na money o. Na money. Inya wa we go get so no when you go near there. They sagin that one ye sagin ye say saga gboma we live video no. I know they tell people how to control their platform because nobody also they tell me how to do my platform or what I'll talk about. Thanks for joining my person Dollar Wahala. Thanks for joining. Good morning. Now they get me some amazing people. So if you see anybody like that, they talk to Kunita, they wanna just disregard them. You understand? Disregard them. Why is they no man not even pay attention? Man not let them pay no man not let them invest no. Especially those ones having ni gbe yo gbere. Having man wa ya more past yan ladi and move by present here, you will see a lot of error in it. You understand? He said give that man where gonna want make a bit attitude. When I want make a bit attitude for now was attitude, I wanna live for my people. Mona live, you know why I say Mona live, I not fit tell them how you go take control the platform. You get a headache with your body, me ban you get attached. See some material but so I not feel also tell them how to control the platform. And when I'm supposed to don't understand attitude for this live video, say attitude, it be like it's more of a person will not get direction. You understand? Attitude, that is why some of them you will see say they know they grow. You see say they know they grow. Why? Because of how they behave. They will feel say people know they watch them, but people are watching. You understand? Especially when you come outside from his house, when the chocolate no make sense. Something where you yourself know say matter na straight. Where one we matter like and will give and go to Agoy, and you want people to also support you in burning issues. You understand? You also want people to also join you to burn issues. No. People won't they talk to, people won't they do video where they watch you now. They are learned people. They know where truth they. Even if you say maybe they not get that courage to on platform to talk. That is why you see some of them, if they call into your platform, they'll talk everything you need to know. Everything you need to hear. Even some callers, they correct presenters. Sometimes, something when you don't forget, for your caller will call you, go remember you. You will probably, hey, this caller, the enter class, so you don't forget this thing. But you will tell that you don't forget. So that is why they tell these people, if you are doing broadcasting or you they present, no waiting you they do. No waiting you they do. Not be say you go just on platform, talk from, if you they talk, people go let con laugh. People go let con laugh. If they laugh finish, they will come out there. They know say you be useless person. Put something important for grant tomorrow, maybe you they do. Those people will not come and turn up. You not go see they turn up. Put one bag, one account for grants. Okay, you need 100,000. You not go see you go donate for you. But if you did live video, 200 they wash you. If you did live video, 500 they wash you. But if you need help, they not go fee help you. You not go fee 100,000. You will get how many followers? Where to me 300,000 will be fans away. That's to show that by failure, not only to your fans, to other presenters around you. You understand? So when you see yourself in that situation, go and work on yourself. I want to see where was woman. Now you don't notice say you des war. People where they watch you know say you des war. That is uriefwa. But they don't want just put on for math. Just call your name, say La Repita. You get me? So that is how people see a lot of presenters. A mental issue, have a psychopath. So for that man, just now when I write name, Atiti no get direction. Today can support you, tomorrow it can fight you. I only make direction. Go my video, I came when you or telephone away. Even Kunita sometimes, if she get chance, or if you ne, then over gear, then over ya like be wuto. So now so be my amazing people. So stay blessed. God bless you. Or I just want to do this video short since my network is back. So any seconds, anytime I just like, I'll just be on my live video and stay active, guys. And for Esther, presenters are going to continue dragging you, yes, to the last. This will not be even dragging. There's nothing like nobody they drag Esther safe. This is just a normal conversation like Esther they give out and we they reply. Like this one when me do now. Now only any traits go come out now come talk say, Queen, you call the saga Esther. If you get sense, you'll see and say, I can't reply Esther. Because she said, this is how they see presenters these days. And me can also let her know, say, presenters now, they see her as shit. Before, we they look her like one better person. Now, we know better. Before she started to see us these days, like we'd already decided, say, she's too useless. She's a failure. She's a juju woman. She's an adulterous woman. She's a mass worker of a kind. And also, she's a debtor. Akausadan. Fake life ambassador, luxury fake life. Now she dey live. She's a luxury fake life woman. So we presenters already know say she's a luxury fake life woman. That's why we not send her papa, and we don't care any way she want to look us. May she carry that eye, look where. Females where. Estekiane luxury akausa. Females where. Now we be this. Now we be this. Manari. Ima mi wefu. Ima mi ofu. You are a thief. Ugbe mabame miya. Ya miti na wukie. Uwo sagbe rangbari. Igo ya niviere donate ya mami wete ni gwalope miti. Iya gwalope miti. Ave gya omese. Wae ya ala diyan vanu. Waya ala diyan popa. O iwe banya. Oba do we wado dele si go bi oye nu. Waya pepe member sinegiro. On wa we presenter si wa pepe. Nobody notice una. We know what you na the past inside the way. O balo wa je wa regret wa igbi ma we what you want now. Esther ne mi agizo pa ibo wa na we wado aye 300,000. Iya lamiti 500,000 wa ya lamiti. O ma ne ma gizo pa wa. Awo igwa ya bo wa no bo. Igwa o ya bo wa no bo. Onyo manuwa wanyo. Uke we bo pa we ado e kwe miti. E so we don't da fiyan kan iwu. Ijian kan iwu. O ka ama miti ayi we beria. O wa gi mo lo ni yo ama we miti ayi we beria. Do man wa impressi. Deva iwu demile ha. Gaba ni vidun. Deva ma dere gaba ni vidun. Ize yan wale de 40 bag of rice no for your village. Mudia from the junction of your village. Vieke try your spit yoja every house bucket of ize. When wa ya leni bale ye roba vie lama yo. Mune dado wa duma me wani di e beri ra o beri beri shwe. Wa meti we boni. Ga ni vi dunia ata 100 years okun we e wo ko na mi ya we beri age amu izele lo wa ya be bona. Wa ti we boni wa vi kwemiti. Ya gbe koko shule gbai gbai. E adogba de to ge bo bokpa. No one impress. Nobody they notice una. Person like me, I have been video on here flick me. He got me. I had a lot of na emiti to 2,000. Oh, no guy 1,000. Ila you 1,000. Ima mi ya de. He wa ture ya de chocolate. He had de chocolate €5. He had de chocolate €5. Let me share this video. Thank you, dollar wala. He had de chocolate €5. He gwoga you know me. Ya ri o ni eri me. He gwoga you. Aya agbali ya de koko shugbalu gbale to gbere only say why so na fi we yo cause o ba so wa na be nemiti or that fun why say take carry responsibility o bi akoku wa o gba ogijuwe o gba oge mo nu bi ene o we do azige miti just to impress e de awa gbe ninu hu why so e wa ya o mami we wa ni miti e sowo ugbale to ye tawa nhunu wa gbale yi nhunu wa gbale ji say some Europe women to mumu. Why you the Europe? You go they join meeting for Nigeria. Ask me, oh, my lady, la family. Ask me. They want pepper their neighbor. Your neighbor no notice you. Zion is a main source of her income. Yes, now. Before she go create that Zion, she first create one group. Esther don't fake try. There is right from time she'll be trying so hard to extort money from Euro people. Also na kayake group ini ana ya ni wodi buweba. A group ini eri ya wa ya ni go we group ni. Iya wetin we obone gbiyan iyen yan ka vigo na we group ni before a gossip ke ko liyan la diaba kede no ke ona avio ya ke Zion o kede no ko na avio ya ona ya ke Zion atema tatawu amatema tatabewu me agbe anybody to we so igwa mu gbale to yan hu iya wa gbalo ehuna yu gbalete 100,000 ya gbalo na erere ro pa ro emoti agba erere ni erere hu ni ti mi 100,000 free no dey la wa oda fun me o a business ya ni wa be 100,000 now again mi ero eni erere ni gbin alamiti mo han ya ki go meye okoni wa no bo ido ya ka awa oni go rukun le wiki na yes ato ma eri ogwede when last week ka 50,000 wa go to manager ti ku gbon secretary abi yan tian no pa ne lare ibata no promise ya egbe o ma ye fi bata we gunme ibata no promise ya egbe o ma ye fi ore next ka suspend we o wa be bo no pa ona bless ba we jemiti bless e ba we jemiti o ma bless 5,000 o letire my mama la 5,000 imam ye we go ni wa we awe ba ko o we Josephine ahin Josephine black and blue we na job na we go je red and green black and blue we na job na we gbe wa ri wa ani wa pa 50,000 tori oto na so they start money from these people. Na so igo ni ya fefefe ni ani ya we Esther ya renya go be Zion igo ni ya o wa vue o resta noro away from 300,000 o wa fian niyan o iwa ge na pa no veti party na wa di be na go shoe awe na wa gba we na ya gbe black shoe o ni gbe mama ye go di black o to be rupun na se na we o we ibatu wo party lu kan da we ya do be o di 150,000 yo to do be ogugwe wa egu mego we wa ri o wa ya relax no wa ri o wa ya relax ba mo ma gbe gosu wa ya mo gbo wa fi alamegia o mese ila mi ti ropa ije mo no ki o ma no hu emi ti die teme ni kan yan ti vi emi ti ko se manile Nigeria yan mi ni yan emi ti ve ni meje e la fe bo me release o ho no ga mo pa total yo dawe kalopi and me na do represent na mi ma mi France me va no be total keme eri ma ya ko total sofa e la ma ni mi agia o ye gba ize wa vu roba e robe penti we ni o ya e robe penti ni kere that rubber paint that custard paint bucket so wa balize your day if na 300 take away rubber we oni wa vie mi owo yo de milisi wa no iwa gbe e pin so wa vu na vuri we ya ketra de 2 days wa ya sun le ba na wa le wa me sha visa ivi do ya gbe wiku me gbe wiku na do agbo ni we fine me do ni o ya ivi do wa ga se every as wa so boda de ku kenire o kerimare wa mu zenia ga zefo na mi musician azobone iye ko la moto mi ari o te ya gbewe fo de do mania impress na mi wa ko de wa de even my marriage that is if I want do marriage a marriage me to ye be birthday or you go even birthday some birthday they big a marriage me iya things go deal drink go your full food go full everything go full remiti I go invite friends and family fine eke ada mu fi o ya wo lo o iwe ru demiti ya wa we dia wa decorate o wa decorate igbe ni wa via gale le very mo nya marriage me mo we mi me no be bad down de hotel no say o mana me go abie me go me so iwa di go ni ya lize fun pon iye ya decorate ho gbe iwa la party o ya wa mo se ave mi ze fian yunu ave mi epo me va vio ye po ari o wa me we gbo ni e take away wa no that all those souvenir big souvenir ya igo ni ya decorate ya the souvenir if your name ya te ya wu iya mia marriage ni are ni na that one me they do me no they do all those eye service oh it's fine it's beautiful it's this they go to say no me gone are the days when I dey live to please people to look what people dey talk a life in me live or when me ya live very me I know they live my life to say I want impress person oh when gbe mi la bi bai when wa ton no we lady oh god e ti kemi do mi agewe sent yo me we person ti no dey even dey flink me one la miti wala wa especially miti astana wala wa I record wa view in do wa mine ya go blessing or robert ni na ban a blessing when na video they tell even that they matter blessing I will go and look for that video de gbe do a pe ya yes style atrocity no woni committee ru dan e get start skeleton of song na o wo ba we no jona ban wa because of power because of a police they tell again on do gbe video ni ke police station ni okay ya asiliyan with live video asiliyan with live video we me ga sile police poliyan ba we so my people that is it now they hear me so wani remiti wa ya lai jage yo pa investor wa be takian be TikTok ni ya gbe mi ti yan working o sanoro abi ye zele ya gbe mi ti o sanoro abi ye ze ele o give star wa be niki o give star me ni yan wi ati yan ye duku something duku guess or something me ni yan wi ati yan ye o sanoro abi ye ze ele ya gbe mi ti because they feel say because that is why me go the man say we go kemiti ba miti the cousin wa koko na cousin me yan mi cousin any ikona ina total na do ninye o wana kede ninye odo ninye mo ninye give forma I cousin ni only a better gathering is a wish gathering and na gbon that's another that for me de lo ye ke o give forma wa lo ye ke esa no pe tan eni kire ibi emi ti ore ya o blackmail ya gba lo vio kwa yo to wa wenu gun alazian o ave record we betray me of 4 year lati wa big say Odogun Ladies Club me wa ri yen mi age ya gbe mi ti wa ti wa do egbe kini wa wo sa le ran biri wa wo sa o sa lo bo mi la o e ma so ya wo sa na wo wa pa ye mi ti re me mo na go dey remove na wife from meeting why ikwe owo no wetin e ma dey ba meeting yan awu we no ri owe rai many of them ijian remiti they you san coming ijian remiti o wa ma wa me popa ni mari ebe nene mi dey ru digo na borrow no dey ru digo na borrow se wona ya lamiti neni go susu ni awun ya munu wa Wow, any business, you register it. You register it with a bank. You register it with a bank. You know, in Nigeria, now any business, go and register it with bank. Give a bank, you only going to receive every month. You only going to spend every month. Give every month, you say, refund. A bank I borrow we go. But my bank we go no. With quietly and silently, they will give you time when you take pay. Wakama mo no bologbe. Money kede no aseti mi miawo asa. O money kede. Ken wa ya na gbugwa be mi chi susu. Susu ni ya gba mu wa no do da bo no wa aseti asa. No wa aseti asa. U ke no sunu. Adomo imoto de do ya viwa be so. Why lamiti? Why do a kemiti? You can just join organization. What it be by organization? Avec mi organisation